In this video, I want to show you how to use the AI tools in project.co to help you work faster. Okay, so let's jump into our demo account. And I've created a project for this already. So if we go to projects and AI demo, and then in the notes section, I've created a few different AI examples. So in project.co, the AI Assistant lives in our project descriptions, task descriptions, and notes. So when you're in any of these, you can tap into the note description, into the area, and then type slash, and you can either see the AI at the top or type AI to get to the AI Assistant. And when you do this, you click the AI Assistant and you'll see an input is generated in the note. And you get a bunch of different ideas for things that you can do with the AI suggested here. But what I want to do here is I want to actually show you a few examples that I've pre-prepared. So in this note, we've got 5 notes, and each one shows a slightly different thing with AI. So this one, we're going to write a team email. We've got some social media post ideas that we can create. We're going to create a blog article. We're going to do a financial calculation, and then we're going to create a job description. And as you probably already know, AI is a fantastic tool, but it's best used as a starting point. So use the AI to generate yourself a starting point to develop into the future. But the way that it helps you speed up your work is it'll give you that starting point. So it'll give you the bare bones of something that you can then do a few edits to and add your value to and make your own, and then go ahead and use probably at 2, 3, 4, 5 times the speed that it would have taken you to do the whole thing. So as an example, we've got this team email, and the prompt that I'm going to use is to write an email in an informal tone. The email is to invite the work team to the annual summer party. There'll be a barbecue, drinks and music. The event starts at 1 p.m. on Friday the 4th of August, and people are welcome to bring their partners. End with a funny, safe joke about work-safe joke about the event. So let's see what the AI Assistant gives us based on this prompt. So I'm just going to copy the prompt, paste it into the AI Assistant and hit enter. And when I do that, you'll see that an email is generated very, very quickly. So let's see what joke it said. I hope that brought a smile to your face. Oh, hold on. It's going to be a fantastic opportunity for us to unwind and have some fun outside the office, get to know each other even better. Plus, who can resist the smell of sizzling burgers on a summer afternoon? So it's a nice informal email with a bunch of emojis, something that we could definitely take as a starting point for a team email. Okay, so let's see about some social media post ideas. The prompt we've got this time is to give me 10 social media post topic ideas. My followers are interested in illustration design, solopreneur, and work from home. So let's copy that. We'll type /AI, open up the AI Assistant, paste that in, and let's see what post ideas we get. So these are pretty cool already. We've got behind the scenes, a glimpse into my creative process as an illustrator designer, tips for aspiring solopreneurs, favorite tools and resources for illustrators, Q&A session, ask me anything. So these might not be, out the world ideas, but they're definitely a good starting point, and certainly for something that was created in 10 to 15 seconds. So with a more detailed prompt with some more specifics, I think you could get some really, really strong social media post ideas. Okay, so now let's create a blog article. Articles, in my view, I think you certainly want to use a blog article generated by AI as a starting point. I think then you can add in some opinion, some data points, some media into there, such as images and videos, and you can take a straightforward AI generated article and turn it into a really, really strong post on that particular topic. In this particular example, we're going to write a blog post article that explains 5 productivity methods creative teams can use to work more efficiently when working from home. Make sure to get the keyword productivity hacks and creative teams in there. The tone should be conversational. So let's copy that prompt, type /AI, and paste the prompt into the AI Assistant. And let's see what we get. Fantastic. So we're getting an introduction with some bullet points, methods, 5 methods, I guess, and a conclusion. And here we go. We've got a fantastic outline to use as a start of a blog article on this topic. From here, you could easily jump into this and write anything you need to write about this using the bullet points as a starting point. So, fantastic. Okay, something slightly different here is a financial calculation. So the prompt this time is to create a table showing a pension pot growth over 10 years with an average annual growth rate of 4% and a starting balance of 200,000. So a fairly standard thing that you might have to do as a pensions advisor is to create a growth table, something that would probably be fairly straightforward to do in Excel, or definitely would be straightforward to do in Excel. It might take you 5-10 minutes to set something like this up from scratch in Excel, but let's see what the AI gives us based on this. Brilliant. So we're actually getting a formatted table with starting balance, growth rate, annual growth and ending balance, and we can see how that grows over a 10-year period, just like we asked for. And again, this might not be exactly what you need, but this is certainly a great starting point that you could share with a client and would illustrate what we're trying to say here. And again, created in 5 to 10 seconds. So this is how AI can help you make your work faster. Finally, we've got a job description here. So the prompt this time is to write a job description for an office administrator. The role will include making sure all projects run smoothly and the team are keeping all admin aspects of projects correct and up to date. There'll be some customer support and finance aspects to the role as well. The job is full-time and pay will be based on experience. We need someone with 5+ years experience in a similar role. Okay, so let's copy the prompt. Type /AI and paste that into our AI Assistant. And as expected, we're getting a job description with responsibilities, exactly what we've asked for, and key requirements for the role. And this is, again, a starting point for us to add and edit and change this to be exactly how we need it to be. So, I mean, if you were writing that, it could take you 20 minutes, half an hour even to write that up, but you've got this in a few seconds, and then you can go in, delete sections that are not quite right, edit sections that need to be changed, and build it up a little bit further. And from there, within the 20 minutes it might have taken you to get here, you could take 20 more minutes and make it a really, really good, strong job description. So that's another great example of how AI can help you work faster. So in project.co, as a reminder, we've got an AI assistant that can do anything you ask it to do, such as create to-do lists, write blog articles, create outlines, do financial calculations. It can write code and much, much more. And this is available in any of the project descriptions, project notes, and task descriptions as well. So anywhere that you write a description, you can type /AI, and the AI assistant will be there to help you answer questions or do things faster. I hope you found that useful. Please get in touch with our support team if you have any questions along the way. We'd love to help.